Keriann's hair catch on fire. That's kind of weird.
Yeah. The thing is, I don't think that's the first time I've seen you on fire. What?
Hi, this is Anand.
Oh, hello.
From Team SPOM and Stop Picking on Me. And we are still having a discussion about the video where Sophia's hair caught on fire. And it smelled really awful in here. And you're welcome to dial back a couple videos ago and you can see it in person. The
shock and awe.
The shock and awe.
The Human Torch glowing off of my face.
So anyway, today we're going to be doing what I call foodie masks, all right? So you can go to the store and you can buy a bunch of chemicals and slather them all over your face.
No.
Or you can do what beautiful Mother Earth gave us all for free off the trees or for a little bit of money from your local, you know, Trader Joe's or Whole Foods or Farmer's Market. I'm sorry, I had like a total brain moment there. Go buy some stuff that's edible,
Pretty.
and pretty,
Colorful fruit.
and colorful. Anyway, so we're going to do 3 masks today, and we're going to do them all at the same time, so it's just going to be like a melange of foodie masks for you. Today I'm going to be doing a goat milk and honey mask. Sophia
Has a papaya.
as a papaya,
With a little lemon and
and Keriann is doing an avocado mask with a little bit of lemon too. And the lemon is basically, you can basically put the avocado or the papaya on your mask without anything else. But the lemon is there to actually give you a little more of the citric acid effect to help exfoliate your skin and give you a brighter skin tone texture, and also helps it make it blend a little bit easier too. All right, so they're already started on theirs. I'm going to get going on my thing. So you're doing basically, how much are you putting in your
just
papaya?
over a quarter of this papaya because it's kind of big.
It's a very big papaya.
My avocado is of average height and weight, so I'll just be doing the whole avocado.
All right, I'm going to put in, all these recipes are actually in the Stop Picking on Me book, and there's a little section here called Foodie Masks, and I explain in more detail why you would want to use them. I'm also going to have the recipes down below, so if you can't afford the book right now, or you just want to have them fast access, they're there. And I lost my page. I don't remember what I'm supposed to do.
246.
What is it?
354.
354. Oh, we moved on.
Yes.
354. Future
But that might change because actually this is this was the proof version that you're seeing here, and I've actually already added probably another 10 pages or more to the book. So 2 teaspoons and 1 teaspoon. Okay, I can handle that. I forgot what I'm supposed to do. All right,
honey.
which is the honey? Okay, 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 of milk.
Oh,
2 to 1.
2 to 1 ratio. Okay, it's a 2 to 1 ratio. That's easy. Thank you. So I'm doing 1 spoonful of that. And 2 of this, and I talked about raw honey in the other video. Oh, yum, it's so good. And I'm going to talk about it again. You know, if you're going to use honey, make sure you get the local honey from, hopefully you can go to a farmer's market and you can meet the beekeeper yourself and get to know your beekeeper. You get to know your local bees through your local beekeeper. And this is going to be a very sticky mask, I think.
I think so too, yeah. You know, I actually went to the farmer's market and met a beekeeper with Hammond's bees. And he was super nice and had all of the information I could ever want about bees.
I'm telling you, I love beekeepers. They are the neatest people around because, you have to figure they have nerves of steel. They have to have the most calm temperament because they're around bees all the time, right? We're all very busy.
Oh, I added 1/2 teaspoon of lemon.
Okay, is that going to be enough to thin it out?
I don't know. Maybe this is a bigger avocado than the average.
It may be if you have like the little guys. All right, and I put a little bit more milk. I'm going to probably adjust the recipes in the book. So I'm going to. This is very sticky. Look at this. Is very sticky.
It smells good.
It does.
Guacamole.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm about halfway through this portion of it, which is roughly 2/3 of this large papaya.
All right, I'm going to go for it. I think.
Do it. Do it.
I'm going to smear milk and honey all over my face, and I should have put my hair back, but oh well. Yeah, make sure there's no candle behind me.
I totally looked. I
Alright. Here we go. You guys ready yet? I realized we didn't bring towels or anything over here.
We're gonna eat it off of each other's faces.
Oh, is that what we're gonna do? Alright. Oh, that feels
We're
good.
gonna rinse it off anyways. How long do you leave them on for? Are they different times for each one?
Yeah, I mean, I would probably leave it on like 5-10 minutes.
5-10 days. You know, just really let it soak in.
And I would advise you, if you are putting the milk and honey mask on your face, make sure your screen doors are closed.
Bugs? Does it attract bugs?
Oh, because honey, bees like honey.
Well, the bee is
The bees like honey, and I don't think you want bees crawling on your face. Oop.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Got some. Yeah, you can really smell the lemon.
Beautiful orange color.
Doing it.
Oh,
Look at that beautiful green color.
Yeah!
Oh, God.
Oh, it's called it first.
Is it cold?
Yeah, mine's like.
Do I have it all up? Am I missing anywhere?
A little bit
Your
more right here
cheekbones.
and your up here.
Cheekbones, yeah.
Okay. Up here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This feels so weird, but it feels so good. And you know what the best part of this is?
What's that?
If I accidentally ingest this, like that, or not so accidentally ingest it,
Accidentally on purpose.
She's right.
totally non-toxic, totally safe for your skin, totally safe if you do happen to ingest some. And actually, you know, as I talk about in the book, you ingest everything that you put on your skin. You think that, oh, if I just put it on my skin, it's not going to go inside. No, your skin is very absorbent. So
Largest organ in your system.
largest organ in your system. So if you put anything on your skin, it's the same as eating it. So if you wouldn't eat it, don't put it on your skin. It's your turn.
I feel like it's lumpy.
It is lumpy.
It's totally lumpy.
It's lumpy, but that's
Yeah.
okay.
It's
This one's
gonna
gonna be
do
nice
what
and
it's supposed to
lumpy.
do.
I'm going to go get a couple of paper towels first.
Oh, thank you.
Cold. And yes, I was running a little energy through it, so if you
Thank
happen to
you.
know any symbols of Reiki, just give it a supercharge.
Supercharge.
Whew.
All right. I brought paper towels, so.
Thank you, darling.
Paper towels.
I'm gonna
You're gonna eat your mask now?
Mine tastes good.
Yours
mine
does
does too.
Your-
Mine tastes great.
Can I taste yours?
Yes, please taste mine. Okay, this is fun.
Oh, actually, I didn't get enough of a taste. Okay. Yum. This tastes really good. So there you go. Foodie masks.
Snack while you mask.
Snack while you mask. What do you think?
Have you seen any spots?
No, you got it. You're good.
Ooh, it's starting to tingle.
Is it tingling?
And my dry spots.
Ooh. Are you feeling any effects?
just a coolant all over moisturizing. It's nice.
Yeah. Well, yours is definitely going to be a very moisturizing mask. Yours is because papayas are so filled with enzymes, that's going to be really giving you a lot of exfoliation.
It's
And mine's,
tingling.
yeah, you're going to get a lot of exfoliation.
I can see the color too.
I know.
Orange.
It's really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna let these sit on us for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back at the end after we're gonna wash them off our faces, and then we're gonna come back and give you what we think about the results. Okay?
Onion and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
That's tingling in all my dry spots and those little areas that I had.
The little dry spots. It's actually probably gonna help you where you have the little breakouts too. The enzymes are gonna be, your skin is just gonna like soak up all those enzymes, and it's gonna help to heal all that. This is so delicious. It's milk and honey. You want fresh one?
Can I smell it?
The after flavor is I'm not used to goat milk.
Oh, yeah. It's not much different from regular milk. It just has a little more gamey taste to
A
it.
tanginess, yeah.
A tanginess, yeah. It's actually, goat milk is actually more closely aligned to the molecular size of human milk. So like a lot of times they find like if babies have issues with, you know, they can't.
Your honey's smoothing out.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is.
Mm-hmm.
What is it doing?
It's like smoothing out.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
What?
There's almost burning right there.
Interesting.
Oh, I just have raw spots, so like where I pulled that dry skin right here.
Yeah.
Where I was picking at myself. I'm learning here. That's why I'm here. I'm learning.
Okay. Am I dripping?
You're about to. It's
Oh,
very,
shit.
very slow. You see it?
No. Oh, your nose!
Oh yeah. My nose is dripping.
It's happening, guys. Here it goes.
Is it going? Is it going?
It went on your upper
It's
lip.
on your lip.
Oh.
Now,
All right.
now there's another little one right behind it.
All right. There's another little drippy.
It's happening.
All right. So make sure you do this in some place where you don't have things that you care about dripping on. Are you ready to wash?
Yep.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay. Yes, I'm eating it still.
All right. So we have finished our masks,
And I'm finishing.
and
off
now
the
we're eating the
leftovers.
masks as our snack.
Mm-hmm.
You want a piece of celery with
I
that?
was gonna say I'm gonna put a chip in it.
Okay, we're gonna have masks and chips and masks and oh that's
Mm-hmm.
need salt.
A little bit of salt. Oh,
Yeah.
I agree.
I don't think salt would be good for your face for a mask. All right. So welcome back. Now this is the post-game wrap-up of Foodie Masks. Who wants to start?
I'll start. Yes, I'm a Foodie Mask fan. I did the avocado with lemon, and I tend to have dry skin. After just rinsing it off, there's a firmness, but not a dryness to it. It feels really softened and nice. It feels really nice.
Yeah, that's the best way I can say when the skin gets really supple. It's so nice, and it's seriously like
Without that
being
chemically feeling,
hydrated.
right?
Yeah.
No chemical
No chemical
feeling.
feeling.
And even though there is a bit of tightness, mine
This is good.
yes, it is. It's firming, and I love the hydration. Mine did sting a little bit,
Okay.
where I had some raw and sensitive dry areas, so be careful on that, or be forewarned on that. Other than that, I am feeling very nice.
It looks nice.
We're all glowing.
Yes.
And you had
And me, the minute that I rinsed it off, I felt like boom. I felt like my skin felt like it did 10 years ago. And I just felt like this intense moisture, just plumpness to
Yes. Yes.
it. And my girlfriends here are telling me that it looked younger too.
Yeah, especially in the light in the kitchen with the light right on your face. I could tell, like,
I
oh,
like that.
hello.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you both. Anyway, so there you go.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, thank you for joining us, and I encourage you to go and get some food and slather it all over your face, and get a friend to do it with you, or do it alone, it's fine. And then enjoy eating your mask, whatever's left over once you're done.
Help yourself.
All right, so this is Anand from Stop Picking. Whoop. So professional. From StopPickingOnMe.com, and we are Team SPOM. Let's say, go Team SPOM!
Go Team
Go
Spa!
Team
Go Team Spa!
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Go
Team SPOM!
Have fun with it, people.
Yeah.
Seriously, enjoy this life.
The statements in this video have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The information, including but not limited to text, graphics, images, and other material contained in this video are for informational purposes only. The purpose of this video is to promote broader consumer understanding of various health and spiritual topics. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a licensed qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or treatment, and before undertaking a new healthcare regimen. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or heard online. They're not, and Team SOM do not recommend or endorse any specific tests, physicians, products, procedures, opinions, or other information that may be mentioned. Reliance on any information appearing in this video or any online videos is solely at your own risk. The author and publisher shall have neither liability nor responsibility to any person or entity with respect to any loss, damage, or injury caused directly or indirectly by the information contained herein. Know that this life is ephemeral and is calling on you to heal. Thank you for being part of my journey.
Yay! That's it. Awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yes, now it's chocolate time.
Oh, very interesting.
Isn't that interesting?
Are you still recording this?
Huh? Yeah, I'm still recording this.
Oh,
I know, it's gonna be good stuff.
Oh,
So she muscle tested and she picked the 2 organic ones.
cool.
So there you go.
Raw natural.
I don't judge a book by its cover, but I do judge a chocolate by its packaging, and I like this.
That's the one I like too.
Where's all this first?
Here,
Wow.
That's interesting, huh?
Well, there's no denying muscle testing.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no way I can, especially with not seeing it and having that influence of, oh, I know I like that one.
So there's a really great book. It's David Hawking, I think. It's called Power versus Force. Have you ever read that book?
No, I have.
So it's a book, and it talks about, you know, that there's a right way and a not so right way, and that you very clear those decisions of yes or no, and muscle testing is part of that. Is part of that, knowing whether things are really right for you or not right for you. And
I refer to that chart quite often.
you do.
As far as the vibration frequencies,
Mm-hmm.
when people are in certain anger or rage or vibrating really low, yeah, it's really interesting to see what it takes to shift them into just thinking.
Yeah.
Think this.
Yep.
And
Yeah.
yeah,
This is so good.